Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates to build small email campaign tracker in 2025. The simplest way is to grab an email campaign tracker or marketing campaign template from Notion Gallery or Community. This usually comes preloaded with fields like campaign name, target audience, and date, subject line, and performance metrics such as open rates and click-throughs. Once you've added the template, customize it to match your workflow. Add tags for campaign type, connect each campaign to your contact calendar, and embed creative assets like images or copy draft directly inside the campaign page. Notion different views make the analytics easier. Use table view for tracking performance metrics or calendar view to schedule launches, and board view to group campaign by stage like draft, scheduled, or completed. To take it further, link your email tracker to other databases in Notion, like sales pipelines or customer feedbacks. This way you see which campaign are driving conversations, adjust strategy in real time, and when you are done working with a team, the template keeps everything centralized. Everyone can see the timelines, metrics, and notes without switching tools. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.